Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to display negative values in red and within brackets in Excel. Here I have some values including positive and negative numbers. Step 1, open Format Cells. First, select the entire data range. Now right-click and go to Format Cells. Step 2, apply Custom Format. In the dialog box, go to the Custom category. Here you will see different formatting options. Select the format where negative numbers are shown in red and within brackets. Now click OK. Check result. You will see that positive values now have 2 decimal places. Negative values are shown in red and inside brackets. If you click on any negative value, you can still see the original number with the minus sign in the formula bar. Remove red color. Optional. If you want to keep the brackets but remove the red color, go back to Format Cells Custom. This time select the format just above the red one. Click OK, and the red color will be removed, but brackets will remain. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.